Today, in the time of vulnerability, monetary security and the speed of exchanges are essential for the development of economies. Eventually, everything reduces to a carefully designed and profoundly secure structure that could be useful to store and re-establish all information on the blockchain-empowered state, where exchanging could be worked with alongside quicker installments and exchanges, and all dispensing with the job of middle people, a consequence of hard and impeccable work. The outline of torrential slide, a seed thought that was conceptualized by Cornell specialist Emin Gunsire in September 2020, predominantly putting together the stage with respect to blockchain calculations essentially to resolve the issues of sped-up, decentralization, and security. With this sort of strong blockchain innovation, the torrential slide network will go about as a critical power promoter demonstrating progressive in the realm of installment. As an impetus to empower quick-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment biological system, torrential slide will carry extremist change to back. The torrential slide biological system is completely viable with Ethereum resources, applications, and devices with quicker speeds, higher throughput orders, and lower charges. It is an umbrella stage for sending off DeFi applications, resources, exchanging, and different administrations for blockchain engineers. It permits anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing savvy contracts and other trend-setting innovation. A pivotal contrast between torrential slide blockchain and other blockchain stages is its administration system. Marking rewards are dependent upon dynamic changes as the framework advances. Torrential slide, the intrinsic potential. Without a doubt, the torrential slide blockchain has incredible potential and will generally be the most alluring cryptographic money, chiefly for its local token, AVAX, which guarantees high exchange security combined with speed scaling 1 trillion every second. No big surprise the consistently dynamic group of qualified mathematicians and cryptographers is creating and keeping up with the torrential slide digital money, arising as an incredibly powerful and energetic power. AVAX will be the pick and selection of brokers, particularly in light of the fact that it has endured over the extreme long haul. Likewise, financial backers have found a variable of dependability implanted in this token. The badge of AVAX capabilities as a prizes and installment framework for clients. Torrential slide, the people group and associations. The primary point of the torrential slide local area isn't to lead exclusively on the development way. The torrential slide local area is humming about its achievements and gigantic commitment, particularly after torrential slide opened Denali testnet. It approved the force of torrential slide agreement and light design that offers more even-handed support rather than costly equipment. Being recorded on prominent computerized cash trades like Coinbase and Binance, AVAX offers its brokers a protected and trustworthy stage, empowering lesser expenses and a plenty of computerized resources for single out from. Torrential slide stage has additionally marked a settlement with various environments like Chainlink, Bilira, and so on, taking its forceful mechanical drives to a higher level. The essential objective behind organizations is to construct a compassionate local area around the world, consequently making an equivalent, economical, and decentralized world. Aside from these discussions, AVAX has made further advancements in its organization and its acknowledgement all over the planet. On June 10, 2022, Japan's top crypto trade OKCoin recorded AVAX. Merchants and financial backers are good to go for the recipe erase end of the week. Aside from this, the torrential slide establishment has additionally sent off Multiverse. This new motivation program will uphold new biological systems, NFTs, DeFi, as well as institutional use cases. Adding to this rundown, Kalau has additionally held hands with AVAX to assemble items for NFT dealers and makers. This will assist them with encountering NFTs in new frictionless and easy ways. The ongoing cost of AVAX is $16.98, with a market capitalization of $5,533,107,200. The 24 hours exchanging volume of the AVAX token is $136,543,245, with a flowing stock of 325,947,737 AVAX on the lookout. AVAX digital currency is greatly dependent on decentralized applications remaining in front of other state-of-the-art advancements and the current decentralized blockchain networks. The torrential slide estimate is absolutely reliant upon cryptographic money market development. A blast time for torrential slide drives the value figure to remain legitimate on this record before long. Made by Avalanche, this coin has endured for an extremely long period, so it is essential to realize that torrential slide's cost rise is sure before very long. In any case, carry out your own groundwork to check your gamble resistance. Torrential slide value expectation 2023. In light of our torrential slide cost forecast for the approaching year, the AVAX coin might have least and greatest costs of $15.01 and $36.46. Separately, the adjustment of the cost is supposed to be over 140%, with a typical cost of $25.74. AVAX Value Forecast 2024 is per torrential slide cost expectation. It is assessed that the coin exchange between the scope of $30.76 to $44.28, where $30.76 is the base exchanging cost and $44.28 is the greatest cost, simultaneously. There are a couple of suppositions that the AVAX coin might have a typical cost of $37.52. AVAX Value Expectation 2025. The torrential slide coin is supposed to have least and most extreme costs of around $41.50 and $59.74 individually, according to our AVAX Cost Forecast 2025. While the typical cost may be $50.62, with a rate change of around 40%. Torrential slide coin value expectation 2026. According to our AVAX cost expectation, the coin might have a typical exchanging cost of $63.71, with a base and greatest cost of $52.23 and $75.19 individually for the year 2026. The instability of the torrential slide cost is supposed to be very less, according to our cost forecast. Torrential slide crypto value expectation 2027. In light of the AVAX cost forecast, our specialists propose that the torrential slide digital money might exchange a scope of $64.34 and $92.62 for 2027, where the previous is the base cost and the last option is the greatest. While the typical exchanging cost of torrential slide might be $78.48. AVAX expectation 2028. Our AVAX cost figure for the year 2028 proposes that the coin's typical cost might be $94.79, while the base and most extreme costs might be around $77.71 and $111.87 individually. Simultaneously, the torrential slide specialized examination uncovers that the rate change might be half. AVAX Coin Value Expectation 2029. From our AVAX cost expectation, we can reason that the coin's cost might exchange at a normal of $116.44 for the year 2029, while the least and greatest cost of the AVAX token for the year might be $95.46 and $137.42. Separately, AVAX Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, our torrential slide cost conjecture demonstrates that the possible high of the coin might be $170.69, with a likely low of $118.57 in the crypto market. The point-by-point torrential slide cost investigation uncovers the typical worth to be somewhere near $144.63. Torrential slide value forecast. Market feelings. The market opinions oversee cryptographic forms of money. Thus, AVAX is no special case, in view of verifiable information and specialized examination. There are many hypotheses proceeding for the torrential slide coin. All specialists have different torrential slide expectations to make through and through, in view of a VAX cost conjecture.